Good morning students, I am Mayank Tiwari. Today we will solve test number 20 of the General Agriculture series. Let's start. Student, first question is maximum share in export trade. Option A, onion. Option B, potato. Option C, bean. Option D, capsicum. You have to tell which of the following vegetable has maximum share in exports. So let's look at the options carefully. Student, the correct answer of this question is onion. And student, if the examiner asks which vegetable has maximum export earning, then answer will be okra. Please remember this, maximum share of export is of onion and maximum export earning is of okra. Student, look at question number 2. Very high ethylene evolution takes place in option A, citrus. Option B, pineapple. Option C, banana. Option D, passion fruit. Student, out of the following fruits, you have to tell which of the fruit has very high ethylene evolution. Student, this is a real tough question. So in case you are not able to answer, you have my sympathy. So there are many classification of fruit. One classification is based on ethylene evolution. Student, very low ethylene evolution take place in citrus, grape and pomegranate. Low ethylene production take place in pineapple. Moderate ethylene production take place in banana, fig, guava, mango. High ethylene production take place in avocado and papaya and plum also. And very high ethylene production take place in passion fruit, sapota and apple. Please remember these terms. And student, please remember passion fruit is also a long day plant. Student, look at question number 3. Cormylus plant is option A, canna. Option B, dahlia. Option C, narcissus. Option D, gladiolus. You have to tell out of the following flowering plants which of the following is cormylus. You have to remember the meaning of cormylus. Cormylus means which is propagated by corms. So student, some basic flowering plants which are very common, you ought to remember their propagation method. Based on modes of propagation, basically 4 types are there. First is bulbous, second is cormylus, second is rhizomatous, fourth is tubiferous. Bulbous plant are lily, narcissus and tulip. Cormylus plant are gladiolus, crocus, and rhizomatic plants are canna and iris, and tubiferous plants are dahlia. Student, the 8th classification you also remember based on ability to grow. Plants are classified into 4 types: climber, twinner, rambler and creeper. What are climbers? Plant capable to grow over a support. Example, Antigonan, Ficus repens, wild rose. These are example of climber. Twinner, plant devoid of climbing structure but still able to climb over the support. Example, asparagus, madhulata, etc. What are rambler? Plant unable to climb but somewhere manage to support themselves over the stem or branches. Example, rangul ki bil, Quisqualis indica. What are creepers? Plant unable to climb vertically but grow horizontally over the surface. They are called creeper. Example, potato vine, solanum, jasminoids. Student, next question, quite important for BHU. Question number 4. Lactose content in buffalo milk. You have to tell what is the lactose percentage in buffalo milk. Option A, 5.2%. Option B, 4.9%. Option C, 84.2%. Option D, 86.6%. Student, I have made a video separately on milk. Please see it. Click on the A which is visible in red color. You will find the video, but still I will tell you. Student, please remember these 4 terms, actually 5 terms: water, fat, protein, lactose and ash content in both buffalo milk and cow milk. In terms of water, cow milk is superior, 86.6% water. In terms of fat, in terms of everything now, buffalo milk will be superior. Fat will be 6.6% in buffalo and about 4.6% in cow milk. Protein will also be greater in buffalo milk, 3.9%, cow milk 3.4%. Lactose content 5.2%, which is the correct answer of this question, and cow milk 4.9%. And ash content in buffalo milk is 0.8% and cow milk is 0.7%. Please remember these terms. Student, next question is question number 5. Surface tension of milk. The unit of surface tension is dyne per centimeter square. Option A, 50. Option B, 52. Option C, 72. Option D, none. Student, please remember, if it is given milk, the surface tension is 50 dyne per centimeter square. If it is given skimmed milk, the surface tension of the skimmed milk is 52 dyne per centimeter square. And the surface tension of water is 72 dyne per centimeter square. Please remember. And also remember the boiling point of milk. The boiling point of milk is 100.17 degrees centigrade. Student, this is something ridiculous. In milk, you have to remember everything in decimal places. Refractive index, boiling point, etc. etc. You also remember the freezing point of milk. Cow milk is minus 0.547 and buffalo milk is minus 0.549 degrees centigrade. You also remember the pH of milk. pH of cow milk is 6.4 to 6.6 and pH of buffalo milk is 6.7 to 6.8. And student, please also remember the specific gravity. This you have to remember. Cow 1.028 to 1.030. Specific gravity it is measured by lactometer, and buffalo milk is 1.030 to 1.032. Student, look at question number 6. Connecting link between insecta and other classes. You have to tell which is the connecting link between insecta and other classes. Option A, Zoraptora. Option B, Phasmata. Option C, Thysanura. Option D, Curculinidae. Student, option A, look at it. Zoraptora, it is the smallest insect order. Please remember this. And it is not found in India. Look at second order, Phasmata. Phasmata is the order of stick insect. Student, option number C, Thysanura, it is the right answer. It is the connecting link between insect and other classes. And option D, Curculinidae. In Curculinidae, we will find weevils. So the correct answer is Thysanura. Student, look at question number 7. Activated charcoal plus MgO plus tannic acid. Student, this question was asked in 2018 BHU exam. So you have to tell which of the following is the correct answer. Which of the following is made by mixing activated charcoal plus MgO plus tannic acid? Option A, universal antidote. Option B, polytrin. Option C, carbofuran. Option D, BOCO3. Student, let's look at question number B. Polytrin. When you mix hypermethylene plus profenophos, you get polytrin. Please remember, carbofuran, it is important because it is insecticide cum nematicide, and BaCO3 is important because it is used for rodent control. The correct answer to this question is universal antidote. You also remember the proportion in which the following constituent are mixed. In universal antidote, you mix 7 parts of activated charcoal, 3.5 parts of MgO, and 3.5 part of tannic acid. Please remember. And student, one is tanning hormone. Tanning hormone is bursicon. So don't confuse in between these terms. Tanning hormone is bursicon, but when you mix tannic acid plus MgO plus activated charcoal in the ratio 7, 3.5, 3.5, you get universal antidote. Please remember it. Student, question number 8. Please see. Scale of reconnaissance survey. There are many surveys in soil science. You might have learned about them. So option A, 1 is to 10 lakh. Option B, 1 is to 2,50,000 to 1 is to 1 lakh. Option C, 1 is to 50,000. Option D, 1 is to 10,000. Student, these survey scales are very important and often asked in competitive exam. Please remember them. Student, first is rapid reconnaissance survey or extensive survey. The scale is 1 is to 10 lakh. One of the option was 1 is to 10 lakh. So the option will not be correct because it is rapid reconnaissance survey. For selection of area or of more intensive study, we do rapid reconnaissance survey. Second is reconnaissance survey. For regional planning, we do reconnaissance survey. The scale is 1 is to 2,50,000 to 1 is to 1 lakh. And third one of the option was 1 is to 50,000. It is correct for semi-detailed survey. Semi-detailed survey is used for district planning. And the fourth one, detailed survey for village or watershed planning. For low intensity detailed survey, 1 is to 10,000, and for high intensity detailed survey, 1 is to 5,000. Please remember this. Student, look at question number 9. The range of NDVI lies from. Student, if you do not remember NDVI, then it must be a problem. NDVI is normalized difference vegetation index. Remote sensing you might have studied. You have to tell the range of NDVI. Minus infinity to plus infinity, minus 1 to plus 1. Option C, 0 to 1. Option D, none. Student, please remember NDVI. The value of NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index, depend on cell structure only. For agriculture crop, the value is 0.6 to 0.8, and for forest, it is 0.7. For in general, the value of NDVI is minus 1 to plus 1. One of the option was minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the range for regression coefficient. What is the formula of NDVI? NIR minus R upon NIR plus R. For water bodies, NIR is 0. So NDVI is equal to minus 1. Please remember this. NIR is near infrared. R is red. Student, question number 10. Please look. The range of ODR lies between. You have to tell what is the range of ODR. ODR, you must be knowing oxygen diffusion range. Oxygen diffusion rate, sorry students. Student, please remember that range of ODR is 22.9 into 10 raised to the minus 8 to 39.5 to 10 raised to the minus 8 gram per centimeter square per minute. Please also remember the unit. The 22.9 into 10 raised to the minus 8 ODR is for rice and thoria, and 39.5 into 10 raised to the minus 8 is for irrigated pea. So irrigated pea has maximum ODR and rice and thoria has minimum ODR. Please remember ODR for some of the other crop like wheat 26.9 into 10 raised to the minus 8 gram per centimeter square per minute, And for wheat irrigated, 26.3 into 10 to the power minus 8 gram per centimeter square per minute. So student, this is all for today. I think you could be benefited by this video. If you are benefited, please share it with your fellow batchmates and juniors. If you have any complaint or any confusion with regard to any question, please message me and please write down your score. Thank you.